Energy.
We are a factory in China with over 20 years of experience in oxy-hydrogen welding machines. There are complete production line of power supply, integrated electronic cell, wire connection, and machine assemble, machine testing to provide superior quality products and satisfied services for customers. Our system uses water electrolysis technology. It converts water into oxygen and hydrogen gas on demand. This technology replaces traditional oxy-acetylene, LPG, propane, or other gas cylinders. No gas cylinders are required, only water and electricity. We are a direct manufacturer offering factory price, stable quality, and OEM support. It is safer, cleaner, and reduces operating cost for factory. Our oxy-hydrogen welding machines are widely used in industrial manufacturing, including copper wires for electric motor factory, transformer copper welding, copper pipe brazing, copper and metal joining. If you are looking for welding solution, please contact us for quotation and technical details.